शॉपवाल्यांच्या ट्रेड अँड ऑक्युपेशन टॅक्सासहित हाऊस टॅक्स सॅनिटायझेशन फी धरून सुमार 500 कोटींचे एणावळ पेंडिंग म्हूण महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात सांगता.
There are 2-3 things. Some of them are legacy issues. For example, now you have the market issue. Now the market issue, I don't think they've been paying rent since 2003 for some reason, since the market was first built. So that now through compound interest and all has accumulated to some 20-25 crores. CCP building is another issue there, another 7-8 crores is pending. The rest of it also is house tax. A lot of people just now, see, out of all taxpayers, out of 100%, say it's only maybe 40% or 50% who are actually paying house tax. The rest of them are just defaulting. See, that also places an unnecessary burden on the corporation also. So the corporation carries out essential services when it comes to cleanliness, when it comes to our desilting, pre-monsoon work, garbage collection. Now if the corporation reaches a point where they can't pay its dues, it's going to become a huge issue for the whole city also.
मेळटा त्या माहितीप्रमाणे सुमार 50 कोटींची एणावळ आसा. 33 कोटी 75,29,132 रुपयांचो हाऊस टॅक्स पेंडिंग आसा. 4 कोटी 70,51,192 रुपया ट्रेड ऑक्युपेशन फी येवपाची. सॅनिटायझेशन फीचे सुमार 6 कोटी 52,06,542 रुपया येवपाचे. सुमार 3 कोटी 56,22,522 रुपया हेर टॅक्साचे CCP येवपाचे. मजगती शॉप भाड्याक वा विकत घेतनाच एग्रीमेंट करपाचो CCPचो प्लान.
As of now from the market, the only thing is to sign the agreement. So now we are in the process of getting that. There was one procedure that was not followed earlier also. So now we are getting that rectified. Once that is rectified and we were sending the agreement to the government for approval, then there is no reason for the market tenants not to sign. Because they also have given their word that once we get the lease agreement done, that they would all sign it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.